Hey there, Leo! What an awesome collection of souvenirs from all your travels you have! Bless you, Leo! That's one beautiful feather, Leo! Why don't you show everyone where it came from? Brazil, in South America! Shall we tell the story of how you got that feather? Yep, I remember. It all started when you were on your boat in the Brazilian rainforest. Mama! That baby parrot thinks you're its mommy, Leo. Maybe you'd better try and find its real mommy, Leo. Would you like some help to find her? Can you help Leo find the baby parrot's mother? Awesome! Let's get searching! The baby parrot's mother will be red, like its baby. Ooh, there's something red over there. Could that be the baby's mother? Nope, parrots fly. They don't jump. Those are frogs. We'll have to keep looking. Oh, look! Something up in the trees can fly! Does that look like a parrot's tail? Could this be our missing mommy? Nope, that's not a parrot. That's a monkey!
Monkey.
Now that you've got your binoculars back, Leo, we'd better keep looking for the mommy parrot. What's that behind those bushes?
Ooh.
Do parrots have ears like that? It's definitely not a parrot! That's a jaguar! I think it might be a good time to run! Finding baby parrot's mom sure is hard, isn't it, Leo? Oh, bless you! Hey, Leo, what's that? Do you think that could be the baby parrot's mommy? Yes! Here she is! Aw, look, Leo. You have a new souvenir that'll help you remember the day. That was an awesome adventure, Leo. Maybe we can tell everyone about another adventure from your travels next time. Bye-bye! Hi there! Stick around for more Toto Time episodes. And be sure to subscribe to our channel.